What up, Team Buckhouse? We're back at Keystone. Obviously, it's the summertime, which means we're gonna be riding the mountain bikes, and I'm not doing this alone. Of course, we got the boys. We got Nate and Cody. Dude, we got the crew. This is the crew we ride Keystone all the time with, but instead of being on snowboards, we're on bikes. It's gonna be a sick day. Enough talking. Let's get up there.
Bikes.
Books. Got my little fancy fanny pack. This is linked in the description. This is my new buy. I finally got water bottles for it, so we're good to go. So I got new handlebars that we gotta go into a bike shop and borrow a tool real quick. Nate corrected me, grips, not bars, because this grip's all jacked up and these things like literally just slide right off. So it's sketchy. You guys ready to downhill all day or what? Girl Scouts to warm up.
Definitely a Girl Scout. We'll do Motorhead later.
Motorhead's a later run for us. Dude, this is so fun. We're ripping this trail. Honestly, the fastest I've ever taken it. Dude.
That was fun.
That was fun. I've never been so scared by a run called Girl Scout in my life.
Oh, Cody's off. Oh yeah, this section's sick. Good old 851, we're home, baby. Dude, this is new. Now we're officially in 851. So many backflips this winter. We're thrown literally like right in this spot. So happy. Berms feel so good. 1/4 of the way down. Forget how massive this bike run is. This is actually a really cool spot in the winter to come on your snowboard. But man, the biking is feeling so good. I can't believe how much I've progressed in mountain biking since the last time I came to Keystone. I literally say this every time I go mountain biking, but it's insane. I did take almost a whole year off last year. And I say this with snowboarding, like the summertime helps you become a better snowboarder because your brain gets to stop and digest everything you were constantly learning throughout the winter. I think that happened with mountain biking, even though I don't mountain bike in the winter either. But that time off the bike just let my body and my brain figure out a lot. I don't know. I will say something that is new too is I'm not really looking at what's the ground. I just know the bike's gonna ride over it, so I'm just sending it. What up, boys?
What up, dog? I went down.
I was saying, I think someone fell.
Swim in the
Oh, I'm really trying to lean the bike in these turns. Oh, almost ate it there. Thank God I didn't. Sorry, Cody.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Whoa, Navy boy! Oh yeah, that's enough. Woo. Gotta look past the trees, can't stare at them. And you lose. I think they reopened it in the winter.
I was gonna say, can we hit that in the winter?
Holy crap, I didn't even think about that. Alright, so again off the greens, we're onto a blue. This is still the first drop, by the way, guys. These runs are insanely long, at least the green is. Ooh. Oh, I'm so scared to be on the upper part. But that was bad. Way better than the last time I did it. That was so rad. First run done. My forearms on fire. That was dope.
That was wild.
Books. First run, we did a blue.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. There's more?
Yeah.
You got help?
Yeah, I just got a letter.
Yeah.
He needs a pullback as well. That's why he's got the harness on. Alright, to the blues.
That's my bike.
Whoa, Cody. Dude, ripping. Dude, you've improved so much. Yeah, I made it then. Alright, I say we hit the blue feature, caution.
Dude, these jumps are sick.
That's wild. Oh my, yeah. You need to take the lead because I suck at jumps. I didn't know this was a jump trail.
Dude, that was so much funner than
Everything else we just did. Cody's the bike guy. We're now in Cody's dojo. I would have had it if I didn't get so close to you. Let's run, boys.
That was so good.
I'm too short to stand on this plank. You're so ballsy on a bike, Cody. I'm telling you, this is all new, man. Oh my God, how did I do that? Oh my. At a certain point I was like, I'm in it. Dude, you better finish it. I can't believe I did that. Keep going. All right, so we're almost to the bottom. We found the jumps, which was rad. We'll let Cody go first in the beginning half. Cody sends jumps, man, on a bike.
Did you see me almost die?
Yeah,
With
yeah.
that knuckle?
Oh, yeah, I saw it. Yeah, that was rad. I can't believe I did that skinny. It was one of those things where I got into it and then had to commit. And cool, we got the wood berms coming up, and hopefully those look good. And then we got one more chipmunk ahead of us. So let's get it. How you guys doing? Good, bro. Oh, good. Oh, that's good. This last section, it was my hands for the braking. It's gnarly. That was the perfect run because it means it took 30 minutes and now they're off the lightning hold and we can get up the lift.
They're gonna have some good slams on this one.
You slammed?
Bullshit.
So me and Cody had a plan for this upper section in the green. Cody's gonna take the squishy bike. I'm gonna take his small bike because I need a small bike. And Cody hasn't been on a squishy bike, and he has like no shocks. I will say it is already nice just to stand on this. This bike is so little. Dude, this thing is violently shaking. My vision is just bouncing. Cody's bike has no shocks. I have no confidence on this thing. Everything about this is more work than my bike. You gotta stop making so much noise. I can't keep my feet on the pedals, they keep bouncing off. You can have this thing back.
You and I have had a very different day.
Dude, that thing is like staying in a 5-star hotel.
Dude, it's so much easier to go faster when you're not like getting bounced.
Dude, I get why your hands getting eaten up, all that type of stuff, man. Oh, my hands hurt.
Yeah, you can't have soft hands.
The only thing you can have on that bike is a seizure. My brain, at this moment I couldn't see because my head was shaking so much. It was like, ah.
Ready, guys?
You lead the way, Mr. Harvard. Yeah. It's nice to not be having a seizure anymore.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Dang, Nick, you took off.
That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.
Still really new to jumps. We are taking them easy.
Bottom feeding, dotted line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac, probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my feeling great. Got a day with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you ever, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't. It can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go. Only coming from the block with plain clothes.
This is not right. This is not the first time I feel like.
If you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky.
Yeah, that's like, if I want to get good jumps, we got to session that like
Yeah.
a ton. That's such a workout though. I don't think man, I don't really want to do that skinny again because like I still got the 2 days of Chris James, then we're coming back here. But dang, boys, that was fun. All right, Cody, take us home.
Standing by the edge, not looking down, 'cause I want you to know. Waiting for the intakes that arrive. I don't need a reason to show. I know it's all about you and I, and the things we know. We will keep on falling down.
You're good.
But I won't let go. Is this some kind of miracle we did?
Under the gondola.
Even if we're apart, we're getting burned by this first degree. Getting close, but I'm still stuck in the underground. I can't help but falling into settle down. I can tell by the look in your eyes, you're not ready to go. I'm lost with my head in the clouds, so I don't really know. Standing by the edge, not looking down, 'cause I want you to know. Waiting for the intakes that arrive. I don't need a reason to show. I know it's all about you and I, and the things we know. We will keep on falling down, but I won't let go.
Battery died on the wooden berms, so I don't even know what we got, Cody. But we definitely would get more comfortable on the wooden berms as well. I feel like that's something, if I rode them enough, I would have that. All these turns, man, I used to not be able to turn my bike at all. And now it's like, it's nothing, man. I mean, still something, still a little scary, but for the most part, I'm like leaning the bike in the turn, being able to still move it. That was sick. I wish I was good at biking. All right, Team Buckhouse, that was a sick day at Keystone. And we actually got one more day here before the mountain bike season ends. It's the lift access mountain bike season. But it was good to get Cody on the bikes. Yep. Nate killing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button as always. Thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on the channel. We do stuff like this daily.